Hello everyone, welcome back. If you want to increase the iPhone volume like charging sound, keyboard clicks, notification sound, then do the following changes on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we are going to tap on sound and haptics and maximum iPhone volume and also turn on change with button. After that we are going to tap on headphone safety and tap on reduce loud sound and decibels to 100. After that go back to sounds and enable keyboard clicks and lock sound. Now go back to settings and tap on music. Here we have to tap on EQ and select late night. Now go back to settings, force close all the app that are running in the background. That's it. Hopefully friends, you will get this video helpful and you will get a louder sound on your iPhone without installing any third-party app. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.